Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you the Truewants Mystery Bag Volume 6. This is so exciting. She started this project, I want to say it was last year or something like that. I have bought every single volume that she's had so far. I have not been disappointed, so I'm super excited to see what she has in this one. It is called Beach and More. I have no idea what's inside. I've seen nobody's videos. I've seen no pictures, none of that stuff. So I'm really excited to find out what I got in this one. It was $25. Without further ado, let's open this thing. Okay, guys, so I normally like to throw my bags up, but I'm really nervous to throw this one up because I did already open the top of it. I've not seen what's inside, but I'm afraid whatever's in there is going to plop out if I throw it up. So here is the bag. So this is the bag. Feels like there's some fun stuff in there. Let's see what we got. All right, so open this up. Oh, I want to pull it all out. Oh. Hold on. Maybe I do. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. The tissue paper got stuck to the top of the bag, so everything's just kind of coming apart, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So here's the first item. This is kind of cool. I'm looking at it. I'm not showing it to you, but here's the first item. So guys, this is pretty cool for this summertime and stuff like that. It's kind of like a headband type situation. So when you put this on, it will be able to go, you know, kind of like this, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, for those of you worried about the sun when you're out and about, people who garden and things like that, this would be really good for them. Will I wear it? Most likely I will not wear this, but I did just put it on my head so I can see if somebody in my family wants it, but it's a super cool thing to have. I love that she put this in here. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, I don't want anything to fall. Okay, so mystery, what is in here? I don't know what this is. I'm trying to find the opening. Here we go. Ooh, it feels very, very delicate. I believe it is a scarf. It is. You guys know I'm not a scarf person. However, here we go. The KLL Fandom monthly subscription that I get, they put some really cool scarves in there. So I'm kind of sort of getting converted into a scarf kind of girl. We shall see. This is super cute. It's very lightweight, very summer-like. Look at that beautiful pattern, guys. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, it's a really pretty scarf, so you know, I may keep that for myself. I may not pass that one along because, like I said, I'm getting converted into a scarf person. Okay, so let's plop this open. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. She's got a very cute bracelet on here. Oh, how cute. It looks like eyeballs. Is that what this is supposed to be? I think. On the beads there, it looks like eyeballs, and then you have this little hand that appears to have an eyeball on it too. It matches what I have on. Look at that. Super cute, right? Wait, the hand isn't moving. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be, like dangled like that. Super cute. All right, that is cool. She does have her card in here. Her YouTube channel is called Truewants. That's what this card is for. I'm not going to hold it up. Why do I always do that? I have a photo of the card. I will just plop it in here. And she is on Instagram, but Instagram, she is Truewants2 on Instagram. Okay. So there's that. Ooh, what is that? Hello. How cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is amazing. Okay, so she also has the card for their business, which is called Improving Lifestyles. They do a lot of genuine leather products on their site. They have a lot of that kind of stuff on there. So I highly encourage you guys to check them out. I got her, it's like a knapsack kind of a bag. It's a leather bag and one of her mystery bags. Guys, I love that thing. I actually use it quite often because I'm able to fit quite a few things in there when I'm traveling with my son. I don't always like to take his diaper bag in. So when I don't take his diaper bag in, I'll just put like a couple of diapers in there, the wipes, and everything fits perfectly. I love that little bag. So anyways, it's improvinglifestyles.com. So if you want to get this bag and also see any of their leather products that they have on their website, that's where you need to go. This bag was $25, like I said. Let's show you the last product. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is so cute. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to show it to you guys. This thing is so stinking cute. I'm hoping you guys are getting it. Here's what the back looks like. Guys, how cute is that? So we have two of these rope strings that hold the bag. You know, you can plop it over your shoulder or however you want to do it, like when you're at the beach, you know, it's like a beach bag. Okay, so inside it has a cute little pocket. Check that out. Hello. This is cute. Oh, it zips up. I didn't know it zipped up. I thought it was just one of those ones, you know, like a beach bag where you have it completely open, but it has a zipper. Look at that, guys. Sorry. Look at that. That is so cute, guys. Wow. And you can fit a ton of stuff in here. I love the print. That is so incredibly cute. Guys, I love this. Now, I don't go to the beach very often. To be 100% honest with you guys, I've only been to the beach once in my life. I think it was back in 2013. I went to the beach for the first time in my life. And it was at Punta Cana. So I got to see a really nice beach when I went. But I have not been to the beach since. Crazy, right? But you gotta think, I don't swim. I'm not gonna get my hair wet. I'm just saying. And I don't wear swimsuits. So I guess the beach really isn't for me, but I loved it. I love the sound of the ocean, the waves, all that kind of stuff. Super cool. This has nothing to do with the Truewants Need It bag, but I figured I would just throw that in there. Guys, I really loved this bag. This was a really nice bag. This was their Beach and More bag. It was $25. You can get it at improvinglifestyles.com. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Please make sure you check out Truewants' channel. She has a lot of unboxings on there. She's very knowledgeable about beauty products. So if that's your thing and you want to learn more about beauty, definitely check out her channel. I will have that linked in the description box below as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY, and that sounded weird. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and in this video, I have for you the Truewants mystery. It's not a Need It bag. I don't think they're calling it a Need It bag. Try it one more time. Truewants is also a YouTuber, so they have their own YouTube channel. I will have that linked in the description box below. This was like a passion, not a passion project. I don't know what to say, so we're just, yeah, dead space. Just try it again.